3,380 miles by plane from 3 different states, 858 miles of racing, 150 plus beers, 16 ham sandwiches, and one heck of a good time.
Don't shoot me though, because I'm a University of Tennessee fan.
I'm taking a ride with the boys, going to the track.
Still fighting strong downstairs. He's side by side with Envinger for second.
Xfinity outside lane, Bush to the bottom. That is the battle for the second spot as they cross the line behind Tyler
Racing out in that middle groove. It's 8.
One race, just to have a bucket list thing that we did as a family at IRP, Indianapolis Raceway Park, and about 15 other names over the years it's had for that racetrack. But in 2011 the journey started, and that was, once I ran that first race and it went pretty well, we finished 10th. I had never done like restarts with a group like the Truck Series. I had never done live pit stops, so I didn't know. I was doing pit practice before the race, and I'm stalling the truck. I was super nervous. We had a green flag pit stop at that track, which you never have. It was from 2011 to now an overnight success. I needed a long runway. We were talking about on the broadcast last night with Riley Herbst. I see a lot of similarities where you come in, and I was in fast equipment early on with Brad Keselowski's truck team in 2013, and I wasn't ready. I wasn't there as a driver, and I slowly progressed through the trucks and Xfinity and back in the Pac Cup to learn to get to where I'm at now.
And at this level, expectation changes every day, doesn't it?